first glance, the needle coke market may look concentrated, but the reality is far more distributed and competitive. Phillips 66 leads with a 12% share, followed by China National Petroleum Corporation at 9%. Mitsubishi Chemical holds 6%, ENEOS Holdings 5%, and Indian Oil Corporation 4%. Together, these players account for 36% of the global market. The remaining 64% belongs to a wide mix of regional and international producers, highlighting a fragmented supply landscape where competition is driven by size alone and more by quality, efficiency, and the ability to keep up with rising demand from the steel and battery industries. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.